Hello, my wonderful friend. It's so good to see you today. Can you wave hello? Hi. I'm so happy you're here with me. We are going to talk about some very exciting things that happen every day. Things that help us feel clean, happy, and so proud of ourselves. Are you ready to have some fun together? I am. Let's get our listening ears on. Click, click. Let's get our big, bright eyes ready to see. Open them wide. Wonderful. You're doing such a great job already. I knew you would be amazing at this. We'll talk about splashy water, bubbly water, a special chair called a potty. Our first adventure is all about bath time. Yay! Bath time is such a wonderful time of day. It's when we get to play with water and make big, fluffy bubbles. Can you pretend to make bubbles with your hands? Swish, swish, swish. Look at all those pretend bubbles floating in the air. Bath time helps us get all clean and cozy before we snuggle up for stories or for bedtime. It's a happy, safe time where we can splash and play. The water feels so warm and nice on our skin, like a big, warm hug. Before we can hop into the bath, we need to get everything ready for our adventure. First, we can help our grown-up gather our bath time friends. Maybe they are little boats that float or fish that squirt water, or maybe some cups for pouring. Next, we need a soft, fluffy towel waiting for us. Imagine a big, warm towel, maybe in your favorite color. It's waiting to give you a big, cozy hug when you are all done with your bath. And what about our clean pajamas? We can help pick those out too. Our grown-up will turn on the faucet, and we can watch the water fill the tub. Our grown-up will check the water with their hand or their elbow to make sure it's the perfect temperature for us. Then, it's time for the bubbles. Watch as the bubbles grow bigger and bigger. Our grown-up will help us get in safely, 1 foot at a time. Now that we are in the warm, bubbly water, it's time to get clean. This part can be a fun game. We can use a soft washcloth. We can use a squishy sponge. Let's pretend our washcloth is a little boat, sailing all over our body to make us clean. First, the little boat can sail down our arms. Then it can sail down our legs. Whoosh! It's so gentle and can even be a little bit tickly. A little giggle during bath time is always a good thing. Washing our hair is another important part of our bath time adventure. They might ask us to lean our head back so the water and soap don't go in our eyes. They will use a special shampoo that doesn't sting our eyes and will gently rub our head to get our hair all clean. Then they will rinse it all out with warm water, maybe from a cup. All done. Our hair is clean, soft, and smells so fresh. After we are all clean and dry from our bath, let's talk about another big adventure. It's the potty adventure. So, what is a potty? A potty is a special, small toilet just our size. It's where we learn to put our pee and our poop, like the big people do. Learning to use the potty is a very grown-up thing. It's a new skill, like learning to build with blocks or learning to sing a new song. It's so exciting when we learn how to do it. The potty is our friend. Sometimes it might be a bright, fun color, blue, red, green. We can even give our potty a special name. Giving it a name makes it a friendly part of our bathroom. I want to tell you a little story about a fuzzy, cuddly bear named Timmy. Timmy the bear loved to play outside. He loved to roll in the grass. He loved to chase butterflies. He loved to build big towers with his blocks. Timmy wore a soft, comfy diaper, but one day his mama and Papa Bear brought home something new. It was a little blue chair. What is that? Timmy wondered, tilting his fuzzy head. His Mama Bear smiled and said, "Timmy, this is your very own potty. It's for you to learn to use when you need to go pee. It's for you to learn to use when you need to go poop." Timmy looked at the little blue potty. He sniffed it with his little bear nose. It didn't look scary. It looked interesting. When Timmy and his Mama Bear got to the bathroom, she helped him take off his overalls. She helped him take off his diaper. She helped him sit on his little blue potty. His fuzzy bare feet could touch the floor. It felt comfortable. Mama Bear gave him his favorite book about choo-choo trains.
You can just sit here and relax, Timmy.
He sat for a little while, but nothing happened.
Nothing's coming. And that is perfectly okay, my sweet Timmy. You did the most important thing. You listened to your body and you tried.
They put his clothes back on. She gave him a big, warm bear hug. Later, after his lunch, Timmy felt that wiggle again, and then tinkle, tinkle, tinkle.
I did it!
Timmy's Mama and Papa Bear came running. They cheered for him. They did a little potty dance right there in the bathroom. Timmy felt like a superhero. Sometimes Timmy remembered to use the potty, and sometimes he forgot. When that happened, did his mama and papa get mad? No, not at all. Look at all the wonderful things we talked about today. We talked about happy, bubbly bath times. We also talked about the big, exciting adventure of learning to use the potty. We heard the story of Timmy the bear who learned to listen to the wiggles in his tummy. Learning to use the potty is a huge step, and it shows how much you are growing. You are so smart and so capable. Learning new things takes time. It's like planting a little seed. The people who love you are so proud of the amazing person you are becoming. Can you give yourself a big hug? Squeeze tight. That's a hug from me to you. Goodbye, my friend.